In this video, I am going to show you how you can insert page border in Word document. At first, you need to open the document, and once you open the document on Word, you'll find couple of menu tabs are there. One of the tab is Design. To insert page border, basically we need to come Design. So I just click here and the Design tab is open. And from here on the right side, almost right end, you will find like page border. To insert a page border, basically we need to use this menu. We have to click here and then the border and sharing window will be open. From here we have to choose the settings. So I am going to create a border around this page. So I have to choose one of the settings. So like box border, okay, and then we have to choose a style. There are different styles are there, like dot, dashed, or plain line. So I'm going to use the plain line, and right side we'll see the preview how it will look. And the color, if we want to change the color, we can also change the color or pick color from any of this color. I'm going to click the black because I like to add a black border color, and then we need to define the wide. So here there are different size of the wide. I'm going to choose 1 pixel, and then the if we want to add some picture like art, then we can choose any of this thing, but I'm going to choose none because I'm going to make it professional. And now on the right side it will look like this. So this will be the preview of the border if we press the OK button. And there is another option is there like apply to, and if we click here, this is also a drop down. There are a couple of options are there like whole document, this section, first page only, and the last option this section all extend first page. So basically I want to create this border whole page. That's why I'm not whole page, whole document. That's why I'm going to choose it here. And finally we need to press the OK button. Once the OK button is pressed, then we'll see a beautiful page border has been inserted on our documents. So in this way we can easily insert the page like border on our Microsoft Word document. Thank you guys for watching the video.